The lining of the stomach includes millions of gastric pits, which are composed of multiple cell types. Although these cell types may vary in different regions of the stomach, they typically possess a surface epithelium, the mucus cells, which are secreting a thick, insoluble alkaline mucus, which protects the cells which line the stomach from the acid and the lumen of the stomach, in part because they can trap bicarbonate beneath this layer of insoluble mucus. Along the lumen of the gastric pit are mucus neck cells. They secrete a different type of mucus, which is soluble. Parietal cells, which secrete the major enzyme of the stomach, pepsin, although it is produced in the inactive form of pepsinogen and is activated by the acid of the stomach in the lumen. Chief cells, which secrete the hydrochloric acid and also secrete intrinsic factor, which is essential for the absorption of vitamin B12, without which anemia could result. And then finally, there are hormone-producing cells, enteroendocrine cells, also known as G cells, which produce the hormone gastrin, which stimulates the stomach, and a number of more locally acting hormones such as histamine, serotonin, and somatostatin. A word on the hydrochloric acid made by the chief cells. The chief cells first produce carbonic acid, and the hydrogen ions from the carbonic acid will go into the stomach lumen. But the bicarbonate then goes into the blood, where it can act as a buffer. As negative bicarbonate leaves, negative chloride takes its place and enters, and so thus the lumen of the stomach contains hydrochloric acid, although it is initially synthesized as carbonic acid.